command.
Dial 911.
Calling 911 at home.
I'm going down not Juella. Yeah, Juella. Dang it, not Juella. Hang on, Youree Drive. And I'm headed south. And there's a white Mercedes with one headlight out. And I swear to God, this fella's drunk. He pulled out.
Let me get you over to the police. One moment.
Thank you. Oh.
Police, where's your emergency?
I'm out here on Youree Drive headed south. There's an idiot in a white Mercedes. I swear they're drunk or something or impaired. Oh, we're going to have a wreck. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh,
Hang on, where are you?
Okay.
Where are you at?
All right, just a second. I just passed the street. Hang on. I'll give you a deal. I thought he was about to hit that truck. He's swerving from lane to lane to lane. It's terrible. Just a second. I'll give you a street as soon as I got one. All right. I am at Leland, right there in front of the Walgreens. He's at the stoplight.
Okay. Do you see the license plate on it?
I will in just a second. Hang on. I'm pulling up behind him right now. Looks like temporary tags 192639916. It's a C300 white Mercedes.